In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Zoho Mail account effortlessly. Let's walk through this process so that you can access your emails without any hassle. First, you'll need to navigate to the Zoho Mail website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Zoho Mail, which should bring you directly to their homepage. You'll find this step quite straightforward, as the website is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate. Once you're on the Zoho Mail homepage, you should see a Sign In button positioned prominently on the page. Click on this button to move to the next part of the process, where you'll be able to enter your credentials. The Sign In option is typically located at the upper right corner of the page, so it's hard to miss. Now you'll arrive at the login screen where you can enter your email address. You'll want to type in the email address associated with your Zoho Mail account. Make sure you enter it accurately to avoid any login issues down the road. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to click Next to continue. Sometimes you might prefer to use an alternate sign-in option. Zoho Mail provides a variety of choices that could be more convenient for you. For instance, if you have social sign-on options available on your account, you might see logos for various services that you can use instead. Let's follow the steps for using a Google account as a sign-in method in this example. If you're opting to sign in using Google, click on the Gmail button. This will allow you to leverage Google's sign-in services, which many find easier and more secure. At this point, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you'd like to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to pick the one that's connected to your Zoho Mail. After selecting the right account, follow any additional prompts Google may provide to authorize the connection. And there you have it. You should now be logged into your Zoho Mail account, ready to access your emails and manage your inbox efficiently. If at any point you run into issues, double-check your inputted details and ensure your internet connection is stable, as both of these factors can affect your ability to log in successfully. As a final tip, consider saving your sign-in details in your browser or using a password manager to streamline future logins. This can make accessing your Zoho Mail even more seamless. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you signed in with ease.